Welcome back everyone. Today I'll unbox the Wiim Amp, which will replace my Cambridge Audio CX-A80 amplifier. I bought it because of its great functions and small footprint. Also, it has streaming capabilities, which were not included in my previous amp. Let's cut open the box and see what's inside. Nice presentation, and it looks neatly packed. First, let's take a look on the accessories. In the first inner box, there is a remote control, very light without the batteries. Good thing that it's a Bluetooth remote and has very nice feel on the buttons. And here is the EU power cable. In the second accessory box, we should have more cables. An RCA cable, quality looks good. An HDMI cable, I was surprised that it's braided and feels really high quality. I will definitely use this one instead of my ordinary cable. And last, the optical cable. I will take out the amp and see what else I got for my 300 euros. There is a guide on how to use the remote control. Looks like the amp had a rough ride during the shipping. A short user manual. I did not use it during the setup process. Everything is intuitive during the use, but it's nice that they included it. Let's check out the amp itself. Its weight feels solid for the size, almost 2 kilos. Quality is solid. I will take off the protective film. Nothing rattles, and it seems to be undamaged. It looks premium. Case is built from anodized aluminium. It really feels like a premium device because the quality is very good. I was expecting something worse. Speaker terminals feel good as well. On the front, there is a single button for volume and input selection. Pretty much the quality looks well over its price, and considering the accessories, a good value for the money. That's it for the unboxing. Subscribe if you want to see a full review and, of course, a disassembly video. Good luck everyone!